how to sell bags and purses on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So before we get into it, I'm going to explain the platform for you first. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to be one of these sellers and make a lot of money yourself. So let's just check one of these product pages just to show you an example of what you're going to learn. Let's say this product page. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product or the video if you have one, how to enter the price of the product, how to add as many pictures as you have, how to enter the description, the options, and how to enter the product's details and the long description as well. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how to set the shipping and return policies that suits you. So let's just close this page. Let's go back to the main page, which is this one. Click on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And in order to do that, you will need to go through 6 steps. The first step is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop. Then stock in your shop. Then you choose how you'll get paid. Then you set up the payment or the payment processors. Then you add with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for me, I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is naming your shop. So here, let's choose this name for our shop. Let's remove the spaces and the special characters. Let's replace it with this. And that's it. The name, as you can see, is already taken. You can choose one of these options, or you can just add a number and the name will be unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. And it's where you add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You will be able to edit this later. So before we proceed to adding the photos and details about our product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that you need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here, as you can see, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Please upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. Here you will need to enter the price of the product. Then we have the listing details. And here you will need to fill all of these red fields. And the same thing with shipping as well. You will need to fill all of these red fields. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It would help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item. and why they love it. So we start with the title. Let's give our product a good title. Then we have these 3 questions. The first one is who made it, and here you have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with a member of my shop. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then you have the category. So here just type your product's name and you'll have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's go with bags and purses, which is the same thing as our shop's name. And here you'll have some additional details to go through, like the primary color of the product. Let's choose gold. This is just an example, guys. And for the secondary color, for example, let's choose rose gold. And for the bag type, let's go with backpack. Occasion, let's leave it empty for now. A holiday, leave it empty. Wedding theme, leave it empty as well. Then we have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free, and that's what I'm going to go with. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. For me, it's a physical product. Then for the description, in order, guys, to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the pricing. So here, make sure to enter a fair price for your product. Let's say $29.99, for example. Then we proceed to the shipping, and here you fill these red fields with the right information, obviously. And you do the same with these other red fields. And the last thing is the shipping, the returns and exchanges policy. So you can choose the 30 days one, or you can choose another one, or you can even create your own policy by choosing what you're going to accept and what you're going to refuse. And you can also choose the time frame. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.